What's up?
Hey, how
On the video today, we are going to play horror games. Yes, sir.
What is the code for?
So, guys, we are playing the Fun Monkey Horror today. Yes, you heard me right. Fun Monkey Horror. So, I did record a video, but I had to start over. So I did post that and that. But you guys are never going to see that video because I accidentally deleted it and I can't get it back. So that's why I'm doing it in this video today. But I want to check. Or something. Run quietly. They should have more maps like right here. Like I feel like he's doing too much. He's like, wait, I forgot FNAF was a map. God damn, I can't run first. Yes. So we are gonna start with events like we did before.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness, don't do that again!
Hey, where are you?
Yo, whoever was that, yo, he
What? What the frick is this?
Yeah.
You gave me a heart attack.
Sorry.
You gave me a heart
The
attack.
game spawned me in. Are we just stuck in the endless vent forever?
Alright.
Is there a
I
monster?
don't know. Oh,
Yes, there's a monster. He
Is he scary?
actually at first he was scary, he's not
You
scary.
tried to lock me out. Robot.
Well, I've been playing this game about 3 months.
Guys.
I haven't played this game
whoever
for
doesn't wanna be a wuss and go out first. Who wants to
since
go out
September.
first, not be a wuss? Okay.
I think
okay,
before.
I'm gonna open the door. Goodbye, my brave soldier. Goodbye. Oh, robot one ready to go charge. Bro, who shut the door?
I'm going with you too because I'm recording a video and because I've
Hell with that heart attack.
Well, that's gonna crap out of me.
Are you ready?
because I recorded a video yesterday of this. I recorded a video yesterday of this and I accidentally.
Yo, your mic is beautiful,
game.
Did he eat Taco Bell?
What's the monster, guys? Come, let's go get the monster. Don't be this.
Whose mic is beautiful?
Now we're
Open the door! Open the door, Brett! Open the door!
He's right there. Brett, open the door, you fatty.
He's going. He's kind of terrifying. He's going.
Bro,
What the? Why are you in the wall?
que yes, I mean in a big
Sometimes I want to smack his butt. Oh my god!
Or you can just smash at that.
Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord.
Let's all go.
Kumbaya.
He's a rapist.
Open the door! Hey, guys!
I'm gone. Come on, let's go.
going by myself. If you know me, I'm gonna ask you to video. Oh, you trying to do it. I'm scared of everything.
No.
Everything.
I don't care.
Putting it on the private server.
Open back door.
Open back door. Open back door, please. Open back door, please. Open this door, please.
Okay.
Bro, I heard him.
Monster just killed me. I'm dying.
Back to
Help
there
me.
now.
I'm dying.
Guys, let's go
Yo,
this
go
way.
out.
Open them.
dying.
No
Door.
one's gonna ever get lost. Open the goddamn door for them.
Why are we scared, guys? We have to be men or women.
That's the most clearest
go.
mic ever. That's the most clearest.
Bro, stop closing the damn door, bro.
Open the fucking door, please.
If you close the door, you like fucking wig
That's the
like
most
this.
clearest mic
No.
I ever heard. Bro, whoever has the door, I don't turn my headset down because that's the most clearest mic.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
I didn't touch the goddamn door.
Let's come this way. Come this way.
Let's
This
go
way.
down.
Let's go this way. Let's go.
Domer.
Let's go.
He's gonna turn the corner and he's gonna die.
Domer. 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 I am. Goger. Domer. Goger. Goger.
What does that mean? What does Domer mean?
Yeah, Domer.
White, come back. White, come back.
Guys, come here.
I white.
Where is Domer?
What does Domer mean?
It's right there.
It's from freaking.
Gogurt. Gogurt is right there. Bro, take that.
Wait, go back. Should we go back?
Yeah.
Bro, red.
What?
That was the most clearest mic I ever heard.
Oh, because I'm wearing headphones. I'm wearing headphones on.
Why is Black running like that?
Why did you get so scared, bro?
Wait, are you guys talking about I have the clearest mic?
No,
Yeah, it's you.
Run.
I got headphones connected to my headset. That's why.
How do you do it?
You have to have Bluetooth headphones.
Why is she cooking?
I got I got Beat headphones on. They're perfect. And you can connect them. All you gotta do is put the
so
Bluetooth.
crazy, bro. I can hear everything.
Wait, do you have beats? Do you have beats on? Like beats?
Yeah, I got Beats. I got Beats.
That's why. They have really good like mic quality.
Bro, who's gooning, bro? I can hear in somebody's background.
I found the monster. I'm outside the map currently.
Red, wait up for
don't
me!
wanna know where you are.
How did you get outside the map?
Let's go, guys. No monkey left behind. You would know what you would know what that means if you follow my old YouTube channel.
You guys take a left.
No monkey left behind, bro.
No
I can
monkey
tell you some bad
left.
things happen when someone gets left behind.
He's leading us
They
all
get
around.
turned.
You guys
In
are
my old
dumbass.
YouTube channel, that used to be my catchphrase. Every time I play horror
You guys
games, that
are-
used to be my
You guys
catchphrase.
are fucking dumbasses. Nobody
No,
likes
you found behind.
Alright, Bucko. Alright.
Little kid, I want to rape their anus, dude. Who are you?
Alright, Bucko. I'm recording. Can you please
Guys,
stop?
you guys see my Mosa jump? You guys want to see my Mosa jump?
Well, we might as well just stand.
That's my Mosa jump. No, and I don't care.
You might as well just wait for the monster to kill us right here.
Open the door!
You guys are just little babies. It's this way you
Have
take
you ever
care of
been
babies.
out of your
Watch
voice
him get ready about it.
I'm going to clear up the first one. Don't worry.
See? Told
try
you.
my best.
Told you, you bitches. You don't believe me, ever. You're the one that talks. Put that ratio, bitches.
Yo, can you stop cursing, little bro?
No, fuck, leave me.
Remember, you guys are gonna be ratio.
Don't shut
I heard
go
that
down.
move me.
He's right there. Wait, don't go do the bird, man, guys. Run. I say run. He's right there.
He ain't even there, bro.
Shut the fucking.
What's up, guys?
Oh, you're over here camping right here, bro. I'm stuck inside the door.
Then it's one of the new
Charge!
That's the monster.
Charge!
Poor guy, he has to sacrifice himself. He's good. It's good. We're clear. We're clear.
there, bro.
I was gonna pick up the chair, bro.
I lost him.
He's gonna.
Run. I shouldn't have done that.
Where is he?
No!
Guys, I hurt my balls with my chair. He's on
Right here,
He's
bro.
on the other side.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Oh, she's not really. She's not trying to.
If you close that door over there. Oh, okay. He's over there. He's over there. You're there.
Oh my god, let me jump in too.
George, get out. Anyway, we gotta go.
Good boy.
We gotta go. Never mind. It's clear. Open the fucking door. Open this fucking
Yo! Stop going! Oh, I can't even say curse.
Stop cussing.
Stop
cussing.
clear.
What
What
are
are
y'all
y'all
sitting
sitting
here
for? You're such a bitch right now. bro.
Hey, who's trying to go around to get him? Who's trying to go around to get him?
Me!
Okay, come on,
Me!
let's go.
I'm coming back.
Let's go.
I'm coming
Let's
back.
go.
I'm coming back.
Let's go.
Let me back.
Let's go.
Let me back.
Let's go. Let's go around and get him. Wait, which way?
Wait, no, wait for me! Wait, bro, stop closing the door!
That's not me. No, buddy, no. She's not runner. She's a drag star.
Yo,
What the frick?
Oh my god.
She's a runner. She's a drag star. Ray, come on.
Where are you?
Is he coming?
Where are you?
Weapons. Right here, Red. She's a runner. She's a drag star.
He's not coming.
Oh my god. She's a runner.
No!
Yeah, I'm not cussing.
My dick.
That was.
Alright, guys, I'm fixed! I am fixed! Did I have an idea for yeah, Right, guys.